Hi everyone and welcome along to the first Friday Quick Fix of the year. Now we've come on this week because something very exciting has been going on our social media platforms. You might have noticed some mini flower videos all over Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, everywhere really where we're on social media. And what's been so amazing is the response to these tutorials, because we just made them as really quick little mini versions that I just thought you could pick up nicely on social media. But there's been such a call for longer form versions of these. So what we've done is, for our patrons, we've created the longer form tutorials. So over on the Daisy tier, which is just £3 a month, you're going to be getting access to these videos as I edit them and roll them out. We've got 10 so far, and today what I've done is I have painted one extra, because I thought, well, why don't you see what it's like to get the long form version? And you might just want to come and join us over on Patreon to get access to these other ones here as well, and the many more that we're going to be painting throughout the year, because so far we've just been doing nice seasonal January flowers. So I thought, let's do a mini cyclamen today. Then you can head over to Patreon and see if you'd love to join us there and support us in another way, as well as watching us over on YouTube here. So grab your paints and let's get started. So here is how things stand at the moment. We've only done 10 little flowers, but it's just been so amazing to see how everybody has just responded to these so brilliantly throughout January. So what I'm going to do is a one-off special for you today, where I'm going to paint the cyclamen in this sort of slower, more fully formed version of the tutorial that you can get on Patreon. Whereas at the moment on social media, all you're getting is the sort of very quick, quite sort of cut and edited versions, which of course, you know, some of you will be very happy to paint from. And that was always the original intention, that we just did a quick little tutorial and then people just went crazy for them. Like, can we have the full-on version? So we're giving you what you want. So here we go. These little squares are sort of roughly 5 centimetres. This feels a bit like doing the advent calendar again, doesn't it? It's lovely. So I'm going to just draw a few little sort of looping stems like that, and then we'll have a few for the leaves. And I'm going to begin with a size 0 brush and begin with some opera rose, and just sort of creating a little sort of upturned teardrop shape for my cyclamen. So I'll pop another one in behind there. They're really interesting shaped flowers, quite strange. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of alizarin crimson, they're like little flames, aren't they? Going to add that to the bottom there. The size 0 brush seems to be the one that I come back to time and time again with these tutorials. And so if you are in need of some nice little detailed brushes, you can get the exact ones that I'm using here in my Etsy shop. A little set of 3 detail brushes, which is actually the 4/10, the 0 and a 2/10. I don't think that's a 2/10, but they're just lovely and small, and they're synthetic bristles, which means they've got a really good snap to them. So here comes another cluster of petals. There we are, just using the unpainted space in there to really help us out, because when you're painting small, you're going to be limited with how much detail you can capture in there. Now I'm going to take some alizarin crimson and mix that with a little bit of sap green, and it makes a great sort of dark stem colour for these flowers. So again, size 0 brush, just coming down, looping out, and you could always do 2 little parallel lines. And now we need some leaves. So I will get a slightly larger brush just to mix some colours. I've got deep sap green here, which is a pretty perfect colour, but it has got some lighter parts, so I've got green gold here as well. So I'm going to start with my lighter colour first, and I'm going to create almost like a little lily pad, and then just around the edge of it put some deep sap green. So we'll try that again. So they're like little trumpety shapes. Put one in there as well. And just edge them with some deep sap green, and then we'll just sort of loop those down as well. And then I'll just put one sort of in front, so we've got our piece nicely sort of grounded. So you can see they're nice and simple, but you still get a rather lovely kind of fairly decent comprehensive tutorial. I've always been about painting a flower in a simple way that really still captures the essence of it and looks closely at the real thing. And then the last thing to do, as with all of these, is to, I was about to say type, to write in what it is, cyclamen, and this is the coum variety that flowers in January. So if you would love to have these longer form versions of the tutorials, then you just need to head to my Patreon. You can find the episode notes below, the link, and you just head to the Daisy tier, which is £3 a month. My goodness, that's not a lot. And that's not all you get. You get access to some lovely little features like the You Choose YouTube feature, where you get to have your say on what tutorials you'd like to be seeing in YouTube that month, and I pick as many as I can. You also get one or two extra little exclusive tutorials that are only available on Patreon, and just access to me in a more interactive manner if you've got questions about your paintings and all that kind of thing. But yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed that. If you are painting along with all these flowers, then please tag me on social media so I can see your wonderful paintings. And of course, carry on painting, enjoy the channel. YouTube is here for you completely free. We do have to put up with a few adverts from time to time, but that's what keeps it free. So thank you again for your support, and hopefully I will see you on Patreon. Bye!